There is no steering wheel on my side of the vehicle. It's over there. I cannot believe we're on the other side of the street. This is so crazy to me. Sweet spot to get some food. Hey. Some icing cake. Whole wheat biscuits. So I got chicken, rice, veggies, cabbage. It's really good. Way better than I expected, honestly. I never ate Jamaican food. So now I'm in a grill. I flew into Montego Bay. I bought a little, like a little Metro PCS phone for $30 because I have no service here whatsoever unless I'm on Wi-Fi. Even sometimes it won't connect to the Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's my phone or what. But anyway, it is gorgeous here. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Food's good. Room's really nice. A little spicy. Okay. So this is the front of our room, and there's like a little balcony that you can see out to. About 8 o'clock here. I'm ready to see what's up. This is the pool area. Love it, love it, love it. And these are the little, like, cottages you can rent as well. And look, you walk right out of the hotel and there's the beach. Oh my God. Alright, so I walked right out of my room and onto the beach. Oh my God. This is everything. Got some French toast, dumpling, yam. I don't know what this stuff is, but it's pretty gross. And I'm right here on the water. Looks like there's some boats.
Bust them, and then they make him like chops and stuff with them. Alright, look inside now. Got that inside here.
Oh, look at that. It is an almond.
Yeah.
And I can eat it.
Yeah, fresh. This is how you eat almonds fresh. Don't taste like an almond. This one don't have no sugar, no preservative.
No.
Here.
Put my finger here.
Here, right here.
Okay.
Yeah,
like this?
Yeah, on the edge there.
And break it open?
Yeah. What you doing, girl?
Woo, shit.
Don't break your finger. Don't break your finger. Sound like you're cracking.
Sound like it.
Yeah.
I got it.
You got it.
Is it a fruit?
No, yes, it's a fruit, but it's a medicine.
It's a medicine. Yeah. And what's it called?
What is the name again?
What's it called?
Noonie.
Noonie.
Noonie is good. Them are good for you. You don't see a star girl. A star girl. Yeah.
Hey. We're going to a restaurant. flick.
Your beautiful bride.
Yay! Can this hold us? Makeshift ass. It's so pretty. Woo. That was deep. We're at Rick's Cafe. Am I gonna jump? Who knows? Should I jump? Jump.
You did it! Yeah! I can't believe I did it! Woo!